Oh, dang it.
Going down. Going down.
If you haven't noticed, this squirrel has a pumpkin in his mouth.
Okay, he's gone.
Oh, he's gone, folks. Wait, no, he's right there on the ground.
Where is he? I don't see him on the ground.
He was behind the car. Should have seen
He's
him.
behind the car. Let's go across the street one.
You can see, you can see us getting closer to him.
He's running away to get up close. Can you see that squirrel?
Quiet.
Take a closer one.
Closest you can get. Ah, it's dope.
Let me drop something.
No,
He's gone.
no, he's still in the. He's still in the.
Stick, Mom.
See him right in the middle.
Yeah, it's going up the tree.
You see the orange. That's where he's holding his pumpkin.
Stop getting close, man.
You're not. Ah, stop! You see his bushy tail.
I don't know who's this for, but
Nobody, Oz. We're
This
putting
is
on
for-
YouTube.
this is for
Oz.
all our aunties. I'm stupid. 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 I'm stupid.
Oz, quiet.
I'm stupid.
Oz. Get closer. Oz. Gotta see the face.
Eating the seed. He's eating the seed.
He left the face.
He left the face. He left the pumpkin.
Wanna go get us?
Let's go look at the pumpkin.
Well, that's the end.
Pumpkin down. Mom, take the pumpkin down.
The squirrel left the pumpkin.
Mom, take the pumpkin down.
Kinda weird.
Mom,
See
take
a
the
little
pumpkin
hole?
down. Take the pumpkin down.
Why? Just leave it alone.
Oh, I just want to show them the pumpkin.
No, okay, let's go. You guys scare the pumpkin away, the squirrel away now.
No, we're way far over there.
Okay, let's go.
Oh,
Time to go inside.
bye.